In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view tick data on MetaTrader 5. If you've been navigating through MetaTrader 5 and finding it a bit overwhelming to track tick data for your trading, don't worry. We're here to break it down into a few simple steps that will have you confidently analyzing tick data in no time. First things first, we need to ensure we have access to the Market Watch window. This window is crucial because it displays all the trading symbols available, alongside their real-time bid and ask prices. To open the Market Watch window, simply navigate to the toolbar at the top of your MetaTrader 5 platform and click on View. From the drop-down menu, select Market Watch, and you'll see that the Market Watch window appears, usually on the left side of your screen. It's a vital tool for any trader as it helps you monitor the market prices in real time. With the Market Watch window open, the next step is to click on the Symbols tab. This tab serves as a directory of all possible securities you can trade on your platform. Clicking on Symbols allows you to explore and refine your choice from available trading instruments. Here, you can see a list of asset classes including forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and more, each with its unique symbol. So, if you're interested in a particular currency pair or commodity, here's where you should look to find your desired trading symbol. After you've clicked on the Symbols tab, it's time to select the trading symbol you want to keep an eye on. This part requires a bit of strategy, as you'll need to decide which assets are most relevant to your trading strategy. Once you find the symbol you're interested in, double-click it, or right-click and select Show to activate it within your Market Watch window. Doing this will ensure that this trading symbol is readily available for tick data viewing. Now comes the exciting part, viewing the ticks. Navigate to the bottom of the Market Watch window, where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Ticks tab. This section is particularly useful for traders who base their decisions on the most minute market changes, as it provides an in-depth look at the tick-by-tick price movements of your chosen symbol. In this tab, you'll find a detailed live feed displaying every change to the bid and ask prices over time, giving you the granularity required for precision trading. To wrap it all up, by following these straightforward steps, you've successfully accessed and can now view tick data on MetaTrader